Hello guys, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how to scan document with your OneDrive mobile app installed on your mobile phone. To use OneDrive mobile app to scan documents using your phone, first you need to install OneDrive mobile app from Play Store. After installation, you log in with your email and password to get access to OneDrive web portal on your mobile phone. I have already installed OneDrive app on my phone. So I click on OneDrive icon on my phone and I type in my username and password to have access to the portal on my mobile phone. This is my portal. Here you can find all the folder and file that have been created on my OneDrive web portal. So to scan the document, you can choose the camera icon, or at the top you can click on plus icon, and after that you click on scan to scan the document using your mobile phone camera to scan the document onto your OneDrive web portal. Here I'll use my camera capture by clicking on it, and I use my mobile camera to capture the video or the file. Here you can choose to scan a whiteboard, or you can choose to scan a document, or you can choose to scan a business card or a photo onto your OneDrive web portal by clicking the plus icon or the camera capture. Then you use your phone camera to capture it. Here I'll choose the document and I click on capture the my OneDrive. After that, click on confirm. Then after clicking on confirm, you can choose to filter it. You can choose to add a new document onto the old one, or you can filter it by changing the color of your scan document, or you can crop it or rotate the scan document. After that, you click on done. By clicking on done, you can choose the file that you want to save the scan document into. You can choose a different file by clicking on files. Then you choose the folder that in which you want to save the scan document into it. And at the top you click on correct icon. You can save it in the folder that you want to save it. That I want to save document into. I click red sign, save that onto my OneDrive using my phone. Now the picture is uploading onto my OneDrive. This is the scan document that I scan using my mobile phone camera. Thank you for watching this video. Find more information about this book, kindly click on under the description, and after that subscribe, receive an update by clicking the bell icon anytime I upload new video. Thank you.